just dug out my spare Lister D block that I had in amongst my spare engine blocks. Luckily I have one the same. This one is the one that's finished. I just pulled down this piston. Look at the pitting on top. It's pitting all round here. Literally, it's finished. It's had it. It's in terrible condition. Can you see that in there? All scored and dented. I'm going to take out the piston. The piston has now lost 2 piston rings. They'd had it. They were so rusted they broke off. So I've only got 1 piston ring in that piston, and the top of the piston's all pitted as well. So I'm gonna keep that piston as a spare because I can use that. But this block is finished. Now what I have actually found is this. This is a spare block that I had, which is the same as that. And look at the condition of the bore when I pull this down. Can you get the camera in there? Can you get that? Yeah. Lovely and clear. It's smooth as anything. Look at the difference. Just pan over to that one. And back to this one again. Look at that. It's lovely and smooth. Now this piston goes up and down. Beautiful. And it's really smooth. Look at that. No scoring whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild that Lister. I'm going to use this block, which is a spare I happen to have, and luckily it's even got all the screws ready. It's all nice and clean. It's got all the lovely screws, and here as well, all ready to go. With this one, I know this sounds a bit silly, but I'm going to fill it up with mud, and I'm going to plant loads of plants in it and have the plants grow out of it everywhere. And I'm going to throw it in the flower bed and hope my partner doesn't see it, because she won't like it. But I think it will look good as a planter. So that one there has had it. I'll keep the piston, and we're going to work with this one, which is absolutely perfect. No scoring, and the piston is beautiful. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching.